All right, I am here with my prototype automatic tea kettle. I'm going to first illustrate the auto filling capabilities. So at rest state, the kettle sits there with a ½ liter of water in it, ready to be activated. After I go and pour my cup of tea, the water level in the device goes down, activating a weight sensor, which dispenses water until the weight comes back up to that predefined threshold. Obviously, the final version will have a better structure, and the water stops when it's back at that same level. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the auto on feature, which uses a photoresistor and a hobby servo motor to activate the switch. And again, the structure here is something that I need to redesign a little bit. So I'm gonna start with the light off. In the morning, when I turn it on, it activates that servo motor, which flicks the switch and turns on the kettle. And now the kettle will boil. And now I'm ready for my cup of tea.